In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the COD mobile mod menu on your phone. So as you can see, we got all the settings right here. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You can see unlimited COD points and credits. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this website. It's called Zoomods. So let me just type it in. So anyway, guys, once you're on this site, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in COD Mobile. So let's just wait for it to load here, as you can see. And there it is. Press on it, press this button, and now we're just going to wait for it to download the mod. So as you can see, it's downloading right here, so just be patient, guys, let it load. And I hope you guys enjoyed, but yeah, that's how you get the COD Mobile mod. And I mean, COD points are expensive, and you also get many other options with this. So if you go to the App Store and type in COD Mobile, you can see it is super expensive. So as you can see, here it is. And then we go to in-app purchases, and I mean, whoa, I'm not paying for that. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try it out. It's super cool. But yeah, this is so crazy, guys. Like, who developed such a thing? It actually works. So yeah, if this video works, you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. And you're going to become the COD Mobile Master. I mean, I've tried many different mods for COD Mobile, and this is the greatest one they developed. I mean, I've looked into the world. I've looked into every corner. But now I have found the COD Mobile mod that I would love. Season Pass, Unlimited Anti-Ban, Wall Hack, Fly Mod, Infinite Ammo. I mean, the list goes on and on. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it's totally updated. But yeah, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, it's super cool. So as you can see, I got all the settings in here, which is crazy. Like, bro, who would develop all these options for you? Like, that is so sick. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys want a COD mod, if that makes sense. But yeah, I mean, just go Zoom Mods, type in COD, you're done.